Okay guys, so depending on the intensity of your eye makeup look, I always say you want to use like an eye primer or a concealer. I'm going to do a concealer today. I do have my eye primer. I just don't have it with me right now. Concealer works the same though. Kind of just gonna put it around. Anyways, so like I said earlier, I am a huge, I love a good eyeshadow look. I feel like for me, because I've had such sensitive skin, eyeshadow was where my go-to would be. And I just kind of fell in love with it. I wish like my skin wasn't so sensitive, but kind of just dealt with what it is. So my brows, I have like a love-hate relationship with them, but I will do my brows at the end, and it's super simple how I do my brows, so like very beginner friendly. This is going to definitely even be like a 2, maybe 3 eyeshadow look, just because after you prep your eyelids, you want to set them a little bit, so you can use like a translucent powder. You can even use like especially if you're using like the Maybelline Fit Me press powder, you could use that, or you could just use a lighter shade. Today for this eye look, I'm going to be using the Revolution because I want to show y'all it can be affordable and you can still look super cute. This is the Revolution Reloaded Velvet Rose eyeshadow palette. You guys, this palette is gorgeous. It's just gorgeous. Okay, so we're going to be using the top one here to prep my eyelids since I, prime them. So I'm literally just using these eyeshadow brushes that I told you about, and I'm going to set that primer with it and just do a little bit, and whatever's left over I kind of floof it out. And so it's like, I don't know, it just works for me. I love this shade right here because I feel like also if this is like it, you're good. Like mascara on, you're good for the day. But for the look that we're doing, I feel like you could go 2 ways. Like, so you could use these 2 colors, or you could use like one of these colors with this. I just feel like this palette is like so versatile and you can use it for so much stuff. Let's see what I want to do. I want to make it like a dusty red. Okay, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this little brown shade right here. And I'm using this eyeshadow brush. And I'm going to put it just kind of all over my lid. And then I'm also going to go up just like a little right there. So I feel like that's the plus. So with the eyeshadow, you can always add more, but it's harder to take it away. This shadow, it doesn't just stick on your lid and then it's hard to blend. It is blendable. This brush is soft. It's good. Okay, so like, look at that. I love it. Okay, I'm looking at a mirror to kind of make it easier. I may zoom in on you guys so y'all can see how I do this look, but I kind of windshield wipe it, and then I just kind of go back and forth, back and forth. I'll add a little more, and then like that, right? I don't add it more here. I kind of start here. So if you do have this palette, let me know. And if you're doing this makeup using this palette right now while you're watching this video and learning how to do your makeup, comment down below too, because that's super awesome to me. Like with the excess, I'm not even dabbing anymore. I'm just using the leftover to just make sure it is all good. Now, what I'm going to do is switch to you could literally use the same shadow, but I feel like it can be just a tad bit harder. So I'm going to use this shadow. Actually, no, I'm going to use this one, this side. And I'm going to do this right here, this shade. So I'm gonna dab it on. Now I put a lot. Look how red that is. Makes me a little nervous. So if you feel like you put a little bit too much, just dab it off on your hand. Like, don't go at it thinking, oh well, just kind of take some off. And now look, I feel so much better, but I'm gonna literally kind of work it in like I'm doing like a V, and then I'm gonna kind of like halo it out. So I'm not really focusing it on the lid. I'm kind of going here on that little V and then haloing it out and down. But I'm not going in here. I'm going from here. So I'm starting here, soft circles, and then slowly working it to about here, right here. And that's how I'm going to put it, just to get that light on it. And then you can now windshield wipe it. And then, if you're ready, you can then kind of blend it in down here. So I was just trying to I'm trying to focus more of the red on the outside and then kind of leave that brown here and whatever's left over. So it's up to you how far you want to like build out your V. You don't even have to build it out. I personally like to build out that V a little bit more. So I'm not using any more product. I am simply kind of creating that V. They have like tape. They have things like you can use your credit card. You can do whatever if you really want like a sharp look. But otherwise for me, it's just like, look at that. And then I'm kind of just getting it. And see, look, that's it. Like you're good. Like you're good. So we're going to get to the bottom in just a second, but let's do the other side. So again, maybe you'll be able to see it better here. Kind of building it out here, going in and stopping, like right there. And then kind of going back. You can close your lid for this. I'm sorry for any funny faces I make in the process, and then just blend it. Look at that, like it's so easy, like it's so fun. Makeup can be so fun, and just, I love it. Like I love what you can do with makeup. And you can add eyeliner to this look, false lashes. For me, this is just like just want to look put together when I go pick up my kids from school. So then you just blend. And there, you have it. So you can even put like whatever you had here, put it back in, like just kind of dab it a little bit. And okay, like look, like you're good, the fun thing with this is I am going to use the first side of the brush that I was going to do, and now I'm going to use that same brown and that same like reddish color, but I'm going to tap, like 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to again tap it on my hand and then turn it over and I'm starting right in the middle because that's where I like it, and I'm going to smooth it out just a little bit like that, and it's gonna connect. So I feel like I have a perfect amount that I'm not worried about needing to do it again. I can just go on literally to the next eye, and like very faintly, I'm going to dust it up under my lashes like that, and then connect. I'm not dabbing any more eyeshadow. I am just connecting like that. Like, look at that. And then if you look, like, see, there is no more shadow on this brush. I am just using this brush now to clean up everything and just kind of smudge it out, smoke it out, I guess. and then focusing on that side, and then kind of just everything that I have on my lids is on a clean brush, everything else. This is it, guys. This is the look. Like, we just did it. You can always, if you want to like add a little shimmer, a little sparkle, you can always use a little either this one right here or this one right here, and just put like a little bit on your lid. But for me, this is the look I said I was going to do for you guys. This is the look you're going to get. So I am going to go off camera. I'm going to do my brows, do my mascara, and show you the finale. So 1 minute. All right, guys, this is the final look with my mascara, my brows, little lipstick, and we're done. I hope this video is super helpful for you. If you guys have any more questions, ideas, concerns, or, you know, anything that you are just wondering in the world of makeup or skin, comment down below, let me know. And I hope that you just have a fabulous day, and thanks for being part of my video. Bye, guys.